To measure the flow rate of the flow in a stream or in a river, the next method is more advanced method. We use the moving board method. Okay. So it means we can put a lot of instrument on the board and put the board on the river and moving across the river, go and back up. We can finish to record everything, measure the depth, the flow, velocity, and we can get the flow rate of the river using moving board. And the next method we call the electromagnetic method. Okay, we flow is passing through this area, and this area install many probe and instrument to sensor and probe to measure the change of electromagnetic wave once the flow is passing through this area, and we can convert the change of electromagnetic wave to the flow rate. Okay. Another method we use the ultrasonic method. Is like the method that used in the hospital to send the sound wave to your body and to see what happened in your muscle, in your organ. Okay, so this is the same. They send the ultrasonic wave to the channel and can measure the change of the ultrasonic wave and convert back to the flow rate. Okay. And then next method we call the indirect method. And we use the flow measuring structure like the weir. In this case we call there's two weir. We call the sharp crest weir or the broad crest weir. Okay, just introduce the sharp crest weir. If we measure this one measure the height of water above the crest, we can convert from H1 to the flow rate. Okay, based on this equation. Okay, for the rectangular weir, the Q flow rate is a function of H1 power 1.5, but for triangle weir, Q is a function of H1 power 2.5. Okay, that is different between rectangle and triangle weir. Okay, and the last one we use method we call the slope area method. If you don't know what is the flow rate passing through this flood during the flooding period, so we can look at the wash line. Okay, on both sides of the river, and this wash line we can imagine that is the maximum level of water level, and we can estimate the water surface elevation and can draw like the area, the flow area. Okay, like this. You can imagine this flow area during the flood is like this. So the next we can estimate the area of this flow. Okay, and the other things, once we know the area we know, and the next we know slope. If we have to the elevation from two sections, so we know can we slope between the area, and the next we know the roughness of the surface of the floodplain and on the main channel, so we can estimate the flow across this area.